Good morning. It is so early in the morning. The sun is barely up. Everyone is still sleeping, but your girl is up getting ready to make a video today. I am going to be decorating our bonus room, my son's hangout area, with a little elf Grinch theme. So I wanted to get up very early so I could get this video filmed and get the rest of the things done that I need to do today. I'm so glad you're with me. Welcome if this is your first time. We have a lot of fun decorating over here. And so we're going to get started today. And I was able to brush my hair and throw on my Grinch shirt and my green glasses, but I can't hold the camera too close today so you guys won't see how wretched I look early in the morning. But at any rate, we're going to have some decorating fun today. So let's do it. But first, coffee.
December again.
All right, I have my coffee in my Grinch cup. Y'all, isn't this cup so cute? Naughty. Nice. I don't know. I bought this cup a couple of years ago, but I love it. And I love the Grinch. Okay. So, I'm going to show you what the room looks like before we get started. I could have cleaned it first, but I think I'll just kind of show you myself getting everything out and together, and then what it's going to look like. And disclaimer, this room is kind of dark. There's one window, so the lighting might not be the best, but no matter, we're going to make the best out of it and have a good time today. So let's get into it. All right, here's what we're working with. These are remnants of me pulling out all of the decor and decorating the house, and then things I'm going to be using in this room, and our Christmas tree that we threw up that I have not kind of fluffed out yet. And yeah, so I just got to get our space together, and I'll take you along with me as I do that.
It's December again. I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high, if you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again. The Christmas spirit.
to start by decorating this tree. This used to be the tree that we used in our family room area. I purchased it from Walmart several years ago, and I love it because you don't have to plug each piece together. You just put it together and plug one thing in the wall. And so since we got a new tree, I've moved this one upstairs for my son to enjoy. And I'm going to just show you a few of the ornaments that I'm going to be adding to the tree. Such fun colors. And you guys look at me putting the topper on this tree. This side of the room is quite short and I'm so tall. It just makes me seem like I'm in Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory or Alice in Wonderland in the Shrinking Room or something. Girl, this hand was not easy to attach to this tree, let me tell you, but it really was cute, so I'm glad I bought it. And I'm gonna take these little elf legs that I showed you in the haul and connect them to one of the shorter doors in the room because, honey, I could not get them to attach to the trunk of my car either, so I think they're very cute right there. And then I'm adding our 3-foot Santa. I'm going back and forth about putting him on the front porch. And I want to show you guys these Grinch pillow covers that I picked up from Amazon. I'll link them in the comment section, but they are beyond cute. Look at this one. Stink, stank, stunk.
Christmas is coming, yeah. Start sending your letters off to Santa. Christmas is coming, yeah. Better be nice if you want your present. Tell all your brothers, sisters.
I picked this big Grinch face pillow up last year after Christmas from Walmart. I think I got him for $3 and he is adorable.
Staying up late looking out the window. Yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Spotting some sleigh rides and some jingle bells. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too.
This is our copy of The Night Before Christmas. My husband reads this to the kids every year on Christmas Eve before Santa comes.
Roasting some chestnuts on the fire. Yeah. Christmas is coming.
This snow globe says 2021 and I didn't put it out, but when Dylan didn't see it, he asked me where it was and he wanted it out, so I had to put out his Santa snow globe. I have a feeling we'll be using this every year. Adding this throw and a pillow because, believe it or not, my sweet son sleeps on top of this ottoman when he stays in this room instead of the couch, so I wanted him to be comfy and cozy when he decides to spend the night in this room. pleased with how this room turned out. It is not over the top, but it's so much fun for him when he comes in here to hang out and watch movies and play games. And when my nieces and nephews come, they will have a fun space to hang out and play in, and it just turned out so great. Guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much fun sharing this with you. If this is your first time visiting, I hope that you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for coming. If you like this video and you like this kind of content, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to our growing family. We have so much fun over here, and I'm so excited to be sharing this season with you. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will not miss any one of my videos. To my subscribers, thank you guys. Hey y'all, so glad y'all are here, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.